Alright guys, check this one out. This is a 925 sterling silver custom grill set, custom fitted for a customer. You're looking at a 6 top with an 8 bottom piece. It has the diamond dust finish. You can see that beautiful shine on these guys. Now these are available on our website, blingcartel.com. Now you get free shipping in the US. You also get a free mold kit. Quick service. Check us out, guys. The website is blingcartel.com. blingcartel.com, guys. You get quick service available, guys, right now on our website, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have